Hello everyone, today we are going to be exploring something really exciting in geography, how climate, weather and vegetation are all connected. Even though these seem like three different ideas, they actually work together like pieces of a puzzle. Okay, let's start with weather. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. It includes temperature, rainfall, windiness and humidity. And then we have climate. Climate is the average weather patterns of an area over a long period of time, usually 30 years or more. For example, the Western Cape has a Mediterranean climate with wet winters and dry summers. Lastly, we have vegetation. Vegetation refers to the plant life in a region, like grasslands, forests, or shrubs. In today's lesson, we are going to explore why these three ideas cannot be studied in isolation and why we have to look at all three at the same time, because weather and climate have the power to affect the vegetation in an area. For us to study these effects, we will have to look at regional case studies in South Africa that show the type of vegetation that grows in a region or biome. The first biome we're going to look at is the savanna biome. The savanna biome is located in Mpumalanga and Limpopo. This region mostly experiences hot temperatures and summer rainfall. Because of this, the vegetation in this area includes tall green trees and grasslands, because after it rains, the sun comes out and then the trees and the plants grow. This region is similar to the grassland biome in Free State that also has similar conditions, and because of the conditions of summer rainfall and hot temperatures, they also have green trees. The Drakensberg region in KwaZulu-Natal and Eastern Cape has similar conditions, and it is shown in the picture that you see right now. It is similar to the savanna and the grassland biome because of the temperatures they experience and the vegetation that grow in the area. And then we have the fynbos biome and we have the Karoo. The fynbos biome is located in Western Cape, and in Western Cape they have wet winters and hot dry summers. Because of this, they only can have plants like shrubs and trees that can survive through hot temperatures. So does the Karoo in Northern Cape. They have dry conditions and low rainfall, and the plants in this region are not vulnerable to drought. If we analyze this, we can see how weather, climate and vegetation link, because areas that mostly have climates that have less rainfall and dry conditions will usually have trees like shrubs and plants like shrubs that can survive drought. These are drought resistant plants and crops. And then we also have trees and grasslands that only grow in areas where there are hot temperatures and summer rainfall. This is how we see the link between weather, climate and vegetation, because the vegetation that grows is dependent on the weather of the area. If the area has a climate that is naturally cold and dry, the trees will die. Thank you. This is all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video.